Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use flashbangs to disorient your enemies in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, approach a room with the door pressed against the outside wall to avoid being seen. Sidestep using the left stick to reveal increasing slices of the room through the open door. Check each slice for threats. If you encounter an enemy, quickly aim and engage. Crowd control. Flashbangs, stun grenades, and tear gas can affect multiple enemies. Aim at an open doorway or window where enemies might be hiding. Bounce the grenade into the room to stun everyone inside. Parachute drop surprise. As you parachute into the map, hold a flashbang. Land near enemies and throw the flashbang to catch them off guard. Use flashbangs to disable campers in buildings or behind cover. Toss a flashbang into their hiding spot to disrupt their aim and movement. Anticipate enemy movement around corners or choke points. Toss a flashbang before engaging to disorient them. When you spot a sniper glint, throw a flashbang in their direction. The sudden light can disrupt their aim and force them to reposition. Use flashbangs to prevent enemies from capturing objectives. Toss them onto flags or bomb sites to delay enemy progress. When outnumbered, throw a flashbang behind you while retreating. This can buy you precious seconds to find cover. In multi-story buildings, bounce a flashbang down a stairwell. Enemies on lower floors won't see it coming. Throw a flashbang at a vehicle to disorient its occupants. This can disrupt their aim or force them out of cover. When reviving a teammate, toss a flashbang nearby. It can provide cover by disorienting enemies trying to interrupt the revive. Approach corners cautiously. Flashbangs are great for aggressive play. Throw them into rooms before rushing into the catch enemies off guard. And that's how to use flashbangs to disorient your enemies in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.